Welcome to day 42 of the 60-day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Tonight, Nick discusses what block production means for everyday holders. Block production is one of those things that sounds complicated, but is actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. And more importantly, it directly affects every single person holding BDAG. So when someone says block production, what are we actually talking about? Okay, blocks serve as containers for transactions in a blockchain, encompassing activities like sending BDAG, executing smart contracts, and miners obtaining rewards. The block production process involves generating these containers, populating them with valid transactions, and integrating them into the network's permanent record. In traditional blockchains such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, blocks are sequentially created one after another, resembling a single file line at a grocery store where only one transaction occurs at a time. However, BlockDAG enables the simultaneous production of multiple blocks through a directed acyclic graph structure, allowing for parallel rather than sequential processing. This approach resembles a grocery store with multiple open checkout lanes, facilitating faster transaction speeds without delays, as each new block references several previous blocks, permitting simultaneous confirmations within the network. So what does that actually mean in practical terms? Why should everyday holders care about this? BlockDAG technology offers significantly higher transaction speeds and capacity, processing thousands of transactions per second, in contrast to Bitcoin's 7 and Ethereum's 15 to 30 transactions per second. This rapid processing ensures that transactions confirm in seconds, leading to lower fees and the ability to handle substantial growth without congestion, enhancing the user experience during token claims and DeFi application usage. As BlockDAG facilitates fast and affordable blockchain interactions by enabling parallel block production, it is accommodating hundreds of thousands of simultaneous users. This efficiency influences the speed of transactions and associated costs, impacting activities such as sending tokens, claiming rewards, deploying smart contracts, and minting NFTs. How does block production relate to mining? Mining is directly linked to block production, where miners provide consensus by solving cryptographic puzzles through the proof-of-work mechanism. Successful miners create blocks containing transactions and receive block rewards and transaction fees in BDAG. Unlike traditional blockchains, where only one miner wins and others earn nothing, BlockDAG allows multiple blocks to be produced simultaneously, enabling more miners to earn rewards in the same time frame. It's more inclusive, which is made possible because the network can process many blocks simultaneously. You're not fighting against everyone else for a single winner-takes-all prize. So the architecture isn't just about speed for users, it's also about fairness and accessibility for miners. That's correct, and this ties into our broader philosophy. We want mining to be accessible so that you can participate meaningfully in securing the network and earning rewards. When mainnet goes live, the 10th of February block production starts for real. What will that look like? On February 10th and 11th, the mainnet will launch, marking the transition from testnet blocks, which served only for practice and validation, to the production of blocks containing real BDAG transactions. From this point, every token claim is recorded in a mainnet block, with the network aiming to achieve 1,400 transactions per second, facilitating the rapid creation, validation, and permanent recording of transaction containers. Dynamic difficulty adjustment is integrated into the mining protocol, ensuring stable block production rates as more miners join the network. This adjustment is vital for network stability, preventing issues from blocks being produced too quickly or too slowly. The algorithm has been calibrated to maintain consistent and predictable block production. If blocks are being produced so quickly and in parallel, does that make the network less secure? BlockDAG offers enhanced security compared to traditional blockchains, as it requires rewriting multiple interconnected blocks to alter historical data, significantly increasing the computational effort needed for an attack. Utilizing proof-of-work, the consensus mechanism upholding Bitcoin's security principles, BlockDAG's structure is made more efficient. Comprehensive security audits by Halborn confirm the integrity of the blockchain, set for real-world use on February 10th. How do the rewards work? 50% of the total BDAG supply, amounting to 75 billion tokens, is dedicated to mining and staking rewards, which are distributed over time as blocks are created. This approach promotes long-term sustainability by providing ongoing incentives to mine and secure the network without excessive inflation of the supply. If you're not running a miner, then fast block production in the BlockDAG network enhances user experience by enabling quick transaction confirmations, allowing users to claim tokens instantly and trade efficiently on exchanges. It supports decentralized finance applications seamlessly by managing high transaction volumes without congestion, consequently keeping gas fees low compared to traditional blockchains where fees escalate during high demand. How will block production change as the network grows and more people start using it? The BlockDAG architecture achieves horizontal scalability, allowing the network to produce multiple blocks concurrently as the number of miners and transactions increases. Testing on the Incarnation testnet demonstrated stability and consistent block production even under heavy load and thousands of simultaneous transactions. A difficulty adjustment algorithm ensures blocks are produced at the target rate despite varying mining power, enabling the network to handle sudden spikes in activity without significant slowdowns or fee increases. If I'm just holding BDAG and not mining, do I get any rewards from block production? Currently, miners earn rewards from block production by performing computational work to secure the network. A new staking functionality is being launched, allowing non-mining holders to stake their BDAG tokens for rewards. Staking involves locking tokens to support network operations, differing from mining. More details on staking parameters, reward rates, and participation will be shared soon, providing everyone an opportunity to earn regardless of mining hardware. How does BlockDAG's block production compare to other DAG-based projects like Caspa? Okay, BlockDAG is inspired by projects like Caspa and Bitcoin, but introduces significant innovations. It features full EVM compatibility, enabling Ethereum-style smart contracts via familiar tools like Solidity and MetaMask, unlike Caspa, which lacks this functionality. The platform aims for a high throughput of 10,000 to 15,000 transactions per second, making it industry-leading. Additionally, BlockDAG offers a complete ecosystem from the start, including DeFi protocols, NFT infrastructure, developer tools, mining devices, and educational resources through the BlockDAG Academy. How can I see block production happening in real time once mainnet is live? We've developed a comprehensive blockchain explorer accessible via the BlockDAG website, displaying real-time block production, transaction details, miner information, transaction fees, and network statistics. The platform is fully transparent, allowing users to verify the network's operations, search transactions, check wallet balances, and monitor smart contract activities. Enhancements based on community feedback include improved layout, advanced filtering options, optimized performance, and a forthcoming feature for multiple transaction views. The Explorer serves as a crucial tool for monitoring live block production and understanding network activities. In wrapping this session up, miners and nodes are pivotal in determining code execution for consensus, embodying the essence of decentralization where no single entity controls network behavior. Block production underpins all network activities, generating transactions and rewards, and BlockDAG enhances this by facilitating parallel production, resulting in a faster, more scalable network with low fees and inclusive participation. With the mainnet launch on February 11th, each produced block will represent real BDAG, transactions, and economic value, marking the network's transition to an operational and scalable platform for long-term growth. The technology works for you, even when you're not thinking about it. And that wraps up Day 42.